It's another snow day here, and today we're going to make some southern homemade from scratch chicken and dumplings. In this slow cooker, which is a quart, I have 3 pounds of chicken breast with a pound of chicken thigh, all boneless, and I also have some simmering in the chicken broth and bouillon cubes that you'll see a little later. And now I'm going to make the dumplings. In this large mixing bowl, I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of salt, 10 tablespoons of butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 cup of milk. And I'm going to use the hand mixer to mix it all together to form the dumplings. And this is what I ended up with. And after I used the hand mixer, I used the best tool God gave us, and that was my hands to form this ball. And of course this works better with 2 hands, but I'm just rolling it out to about 1/8 of an inch. And now I'm just cutting them into strips and then bite-sized pieces. Of course, be careful cutting on your silicone mat, but since I'm using a butter knife, I'm not concerned that I'm going to cut it. And I'm just dropping them over individually into the boiling chicken stock here, and then I will transfer this over to the slow cooker. And you can see the dumplings are, well, you can see that it's steaming up my camera, but they are pillowy, soft, and buttery delicious. And this will just simmer for about 3 hours, and then it will be done. Delicious.